Here we go. Justin taking his turn, because I suck. There we go. Oh, there we go.
It didn't blow up.
The propane tank didn't?
I don't think so. Let's look.
Okay. I'm gonna go check this shit out. Let's see here. What do we got? Is it the fucking indestructible propane tank?
Oh shit.
Apparently so. Boom!
Bolts, look at that. Zoom in on that shit.
That shit's ready to pop.
Let's just get some brush here. Set it on fire. We'll see it right here.
Fucking tumbleweed or some shit.
Got your lighter?
Yeah.
I don't feel like grabbing that.
I gotta play cameraman here. Run. Go ahead. Where that shit goes.
Here, right here. It's good enough.
Alright. Here we go. Yeah! That's what I'm fucking talking about. Blow 'em shit up.